video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Friday. And yes, I said Friday, because we worked so hard this entire week to now sit back, relax, and talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And I'm so excited to be here and do that with you. Guys, we have a new crypto czar that has been named by the one and only Donnie T. Who is it? What's going to happen next? Well, I'm going to fill you in. Make sure, if you're ready for that Zest News, the education, you're smashing the like, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the stream out with friends so more people know what's going on here and they can hear the news. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm also honored to be here on the 11th birthday of Dogecoin, and we're going to jump into that as well. Guys, I'm so excited. Let's pump. I want to say good morning to every single one of you guys, but you guys got to say good morning to me. And check out our 3 amazing sponsors of the show, which includes Cake Wallet, Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off. Head over to Gemini. We're going to go where dollars won't. Trade $100 in crypto. Get $15 in Bitcoin. Oh, yeah. Guys, we have Bitcoin trying to breach 100K yet again. We're going to get into the market recap really quick. We do have a subscriber goal, though. 17,700. It's 12 away. I don't know what's going to happen today, but I do hope that we can hit 17,700. I believe in us. I do. I really do. Right, Fish. Rex, nice to see you. Welcome. All right. Thank you. Thank you for all the breaking news in the chat. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm going to say good morning to everybody. Let's say good morning. All right. We got Brian, Mike Volmer, Alexandra G, my G. Yes, my G. We got Lasers, JC. Nice to see you. Blocky. We got, let's see, Michael Cartwright. Nice to see you, my friend. We have, Mike Volmer's chatting today. He was like, everyone's late. Waiting for my YouTube notification to pop up in 30 minutes for the stream. Oh, you were here very early then. Chris Hanley, good morning. Rob C, good morning. Aquarian, what's up? We have Black Hat Digi. We have James, good morning. M2 is here. David Bowles is in chat. Galaxy 9, M2, nice to see you. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, everybody. Crimson's on X. Nice to see you, my friend. We have Chase Blanchard. Welcome. Bobby F is in the chat. Happy Friday to you. St. Jerome is here. Welcome. We have Jimmy on X as well. Rob likes the green dress. Thank you. I'm manifesting that green price action as we are now 2% in the green for Bitcoin. Let's see. What else? Oh, true. Hello. John Connor says, yeet. Mood. Rich, nice to see you. Welcome to the chat. Carl Elder made it. Oh my gosh. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Joyzer, welcome. Casper, good morning. Ritesh, nice to see you. Welcome. We have Coins Chick. Good morning, girl. Nice to see you. Raph B, good morning. Crypto Farmer is here in chat. James Jimopoulos, nice to see you. Welcome. All right. Guys, if I missed you, if I didn't say good morning to you, please yell at me and I'll say good morning to you. I'll make sure of it. Also, if you're new to the show, you have to let us know so we can give you an appropriate amount of love. Right, Matthew? We have more. Rich from 60s. Good morning, Rich. Crypto Farmers are also on multiple platforms. Steve R. David is here. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the chat, my friends. Benny, hearts to you, my friend. Hi, Benny. All right, Sui Cipher, welcome. Carl Elder said 2 days this week, a new record. Well, I'm happy you're able to make it. I know your work schedule is a little complicated. Scratch Eye, good morning. Welcome. Guys, we have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers if y'all want the rave. Ditchy I'm tardy. No, you're not. We just got started like 5 minutes ago. You're all chill, man. You're all chill. Let's, again, make sure we're sharing this stream out with friends so more people know what's going on here. Right, Marco? Welcome. S-Dog is here, too. Welcome, friends. Yay. I'm so excited. We have so many beautiful people in chat. Right, Ban Gain? Oh, my gosh. Hello, Matthew. Welcome. All right, let's get into it because Bitcoin's starting to pampy again. We do have the beautiful... Oh, hi, Christopher Hanna. We do have the market recap. We got WorldCoin making its move up. I don't like WorldCoin. I'll straight up say it. I don't like it. It's literally the antithesis of crypto, so I'm going to ignore that. Let's put that in the corner. putting her in the corner. Goodbye. We also have Whiff. Nice to see little Whiffy up 5%. We have the BitGet token, which is very interesting, up 22%. Uniswap is up today. And it seems like the market's kind of chilling, especially altcoins are chilling as well. And I'm surprised that Dogecoin isn't doing a little bit more today. It is 1% in the green, but we're going to get into Dogecoin in a little while. Right now, we have Bitcoin. She's surging. She's pamping. We did have a low yesterday of around 97,000. Oh, no, I'm lying. 92.2, because I remember this morning I was looking at 97,000. I apologize. I'm going a little cuckoo right now. Guys, we saw a low yesterday of around 92K, and this is what we were looking at. 91.1 is your support right now. We want to kind of chop it up at this level between 91.1 and this 98K. Right now, we closed below 98K yesterday when we hit that high. So our low for yesterday's candle was 92.3, just about 92.5. And then we had the high of $104,000. So that is our new all-time high, my friends, $104,000. This morning, we were kind of chilling at 97K. We pamped up right now to $99,220 at the moment. We're 1.8% in the green. We ideally want to keep closing above $98,000. We want to trend towards 100K yet again. 100K is huge. It's psychological. It's huge, as Donnie T would phrase it. Huge. Looking over here at Market Cipher, the green dot is still playing out on the daily chart, boosting that momentum. VWAP is pamped a little bit sideways this morning, but doing all right. Money flow is still doing really well. We are looking optimistic on this RSI, guys, because we are bullish, yet we are not overbought at the moment. And to that, I say,
oh, yeah.
I think that's great that we are not overbought yet, and we were at $100,000 Bitcoin. Shows that we have some nice bullish room to go in terms of price action. Very bullish, in my opinion. Very bullish. We're going to keep watching for Bitcoin. We want the highest daily candle close ever. The highest daily candle close right now is around 98.8. We want to close above $98,800 today. If we have the highest daily candle close ever, you bet you're going to hear from me about it, and we're going to tweet. 92K was just shaking off the high leverage. That's true. That's true, because it's funny you mentioned that, my friend. Because there was $450 million that was liquidated in the crypto market last night in the span of 60 minutes. So that's a lot of dollars right there. It's a lot of dollars. So a lot of people were using leverage. They were degenning their little hearts away. And that's why I say if you're using leverage, especially at this point where we are in price discovery mode, this is a volatile time to be trading. Darn, you better have those stop losses. You better have that bullish and bearish case scenario. Matthew said, followed. You conduct yourself well, and I like your style. Well, thank you, friend. Thank you for joining us. We have Mr. Noob. Nice to see you. And if you guys have chart requests, we're going to save them for the end of the show. Please have them in your brains. Have them in your noggins. We also have Ethereum, my friends. Ethereum. That is at her golden zone of 3,960 is where the golden zone began. And so we are looking at $3,981 Ethereum. We have yet to tap that $4,000 mark. We are watching. We are only $20 away from $4,000 Ethereum. And I really can't even explain how excited I am for $4,000 Ethereum, being, again, that we could rewind to 2021, and the all-time high was $4,860 just about. And so if we could tap 4K or 3960, it holds support at this level. Woo! That is beautiful. Yesterday, we did tap it. It was the high of yesterday with the wick, and we did not close there. We closed around 38.50, 38.40. So just be aware of that 39.60. That is the beginning of our golden zone. Right, Zools? We do have pockets today. We're going to get into that, right, Jimmy Lee? We do have a green dot that is printed as Ethereum is up 4.78%. Momentum is moving on up. Money flow is the highest it's been since April of this year. And the VWAP is above that zero line. It is a little sideways, but still bullish, and we're going to take what we can get there. The RSI is overbought. Very interesting that we're overbought right now. I thought overbought would take us to 4K ETH, and I am hoping that's the case because we were extremely overbought here mid-November, and we had a strong pullback, being that we were almost oversold and we pamped to overbought within a few days. That was insane, a little treacherous in my opinion, because then you have a dramatic pullback like we did. Though we steadily have been moving our way up. Wait, let me get a line. We steadily moved our way up with this RSI. So I think that's extremely bullish. I think that's extremely bullish for Ethereum. Guys, we're only $15 away. Oh my gosh. We're on ETH Watch today, guys. We're on Bitcoin and ETH Watch. We're at 99.5 right now for Bitcoin. 39.86. Oh boy, guys, this is insane. This is actual insanity. I'm so excited. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Guys, we're going to make America wealthy again with crypto, right? Gary, a little more. Guys, this is making crypto great again. Let's make crypto great again. And it's always been great, but it's going to be even more great. Guys, oh my God, $3,988 Ethereum. Oh, I might lose my mind. I might lose the noodle, friends. Guys, I need to see membershippery in the chat. I need to see Ethereum emojis. I need to see Ethereum emojis in the chat, pretty please. Let's go ETH. Let's go ETH. Put Ethereum emojis. Carl Elder said, love the TA, spot on. Man, if you look at the levels we've been watching, it's been insane. We've been really on target with our levels to watch. And again, we don't do price predictions on this channel. We just look out for bullish and bearish case scenarios on the chart. So speaking of those, bullish is obviously your $4,000 ETH. That is majorly psychological. Even more bullish is that 4172. Bearish level to watch is our current support being held at $3,560, $3,560. Let's go. And so I would keep an eye on Ethereum. We're going to keep watching it. If we see 3,990, I might actually lose the noodle. I'm going to take a sip of coffee. I need to take a sip of coffee. This is emotional. Oh my gosh, Carl Elder with 5 memberships.
Pump it up. You got to pump
Yay!
it up.
Ooh. Guys, please make sure you guys are accepting that membership rate and put Ethereum emojis in the chat. We have $3,989 ETH. Ooh, I can't even breathe. $4,000 ETH is crazy. 4,000 ETH is crazy. I'm so excited. We're going to be on ETH Watch. We're also going to look at Litecoin right now. That's pulling back ever so slightly, down 1.45%. And this is what we see typically is that Bitcoin goes up, Litecoin pulls back, and then it's the other way around where Litecoin pamps and Bitcoin's kind of sideways. Litecoin does her own thing a lot of the time. We've been saying this for years, actually. But there's going to be a time where both of them are running at the same time. It's inevitable. However, we have $133 Litecoin down 1.64%. As Michael Cartwright also dropped 5 memberships. No way! Yay! Oh, wow. Guys, you are so bullish in the chat. Michael, Carl, you lovely individuals, raining love upon you both. Yay! Poor Brian. Brian wants a membership. He's crying in the chat. Poor Brian. Guys, we need to see rocket emojis in the chat if you're bullish. If you're bullish, put rocket emojis. Hello, John. Nice to see you. He said, say hi to my son, Archie. He's excited about his Bitcoin. Hi, Archie. It's so nice to see you, my friend. Hi, Archie. Sending love directly to you. Little huggies for Archie. Hello, my friend. We have Hillbilly City. We have Commercial in the chat. Oh, Archie. Shout out to Archie. Tell Archie to go to YouTube so he could probably get a membership over there and get some emojis. Shout out to Archie. Iconic Archie. I'm so excited, friends. I'm so excited. Yay! Membership in chat. We do have a Litecoin. Bullish level to watch right now is 142. And then even more bullish is that 150. That's majorly psychological. $200, which is psychological as well. And then ultimately, the level to watch is 227. That's what we want for Litecoin, 227. Bearish level to watch is right here at 113. Even more bearish is that $100, which if we fall below it, people will lose their minds. A red dot has been printing on the momentum, pulling it down ever so slightly. Money flow is a little stagnant, yet bullish. And we have the VWAP that is a little bearish right now, explaining that pullback. We do have the overbought RSI that's pulling back. Ideally, you want it to pull back below overbought, collect herself, and move back on up. Donnie, oh my gosh, yeehaw. Oh, Hillbilly, yeehaw. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Wow, you guys are spoiling me right now. You guys are spoiling me on all platforms. I feel so spoiled. I feel so spoiled. And you know what, friends? I'm so excited to be here, a part of crypto history, because today is a special day. It is Dogecoin's 11th birthday. Good morning, Donnie. It is Dogecoin's 11th birthday, and I'm honored to be here. Woof, woof. Yay, Dogecoin. And I love Dogecoin so much. I've spent Dogecoin. I've used Dogecoin as currency. I've been a part of the Dogecoin community for such a long time. Again, I'm absolutely blessed to be a part of it. And as well as Bell's Coin, Litecoin, the whole family, I believe it was Litecoin, Lucky Coin, Dogecoin, and then Bell's Coin, if I have that order correctly. And so Shibatoshi, who is aka Billy Marcus, he did do a little tweety, and he said, today is Dogecoin's 11th birthday. He said, it is extremely surreal that some silly thing I made in a few hours had the impact on the world that it has. It's a nice reminder that everyone has the potential to make a huge impact with their actions, whether big or small. Happy birthday, Dogecoin! It's a special day. It's a special day. Department of Government Efficiency is also very important as well, because that is what's going to be the face of the United States, essentially spearheaded by Vivek Ramaswamy and Elon Musk. And if you're looking at actual Doge, the new department in the United States that's going to be taking over once Donnie T takes office, take a look. There's work being done already. Elon Musk and Vivek were at Capitol Hill, and Elon brought his son, Lil X. If you take a look, look at Lil X. He's so freaking cute. Look at little X. Oh, he has a little suit on. That is adorable. That is absolutely adorable.
You take a question, Mr. Musk.
Adorable. So Elon and Vivek Ramaswamy are going to head Doge Department of Government Efficiency, fire all these
hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists
that are not doing their jobs and wasting government spending. Dogecoin today is at 43 cents, up 0.84%. Obviously, we're looking for a psychological 50-cent Dogecoin. Bearish level to watch right now is 34 cents. Bullish is your 50-cent Dogecoin. 50-cent Dogecoin. That's what we want. It is the 11th anniversary of Dogecoin, and we could only hope that we would see a nice little move up as we are celebrating its birthday. We do have a green dot printed on the momentum on the daily chart, looking good. We love a green dot printed. VWAP, though, is pulling back, although the money flow is still doing quite well, and the RSI is not overbought, showing yet again that we are chilling and we have room to go to the upside. Woohoo!
Oh, yeah!
Shout out to Dogecoin. Happy birthday, Dogecoin!
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
I'm bullish on Dogecoin. I'm bullish on the memes. I'm bullish on the memes. Oh my gosh! Guys, $4,000 Ethereum! No way! Holy wow. Guys, $4,000 Ethereum!
You got to pump it up.
Oh boy, we are doing a tweet. We are tweeting about this. This is huge news. $4,000 Ethereum. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm losing it. I can't even type words. $4,000 Ethereum is back, friends and family. Let's get it.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Wow. $4,000 ETH. Who's excited about $4,000 ETH? Put Ethereum emojis in the chat. We need to see Ethereum emojis, rocket emojis. Membershippery now. Membershippery now. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow. I am so bullish right now. I am so bullish right now. Wow. I am bullish. I am bullish. Who's bullish on Dogecoin? Put it in the chat. And who's bullish on Ethereum? Put it in the chat. Who's bullish on Litecoin? Who's bullish on Bitcoin? Put it in the chat. Yay! Yay!
Damn!
This is insane. This is insane. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. $4,000 ETH. If you guys want to share the news, of course, you could go to my X profile, and I'll put the link in the live chat about $4,000 ETH. Pamp it up, my friends. Here's the link. Putting it in the chat now. Pamp it up. You gotta pamp it up. Don't you know? Pamp it up. It's $4,000 ETH. Yeah. Oh my gosh, we love $4,000 ETH. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Wow, $4,000 ETH. We are pumping right now. We are pumping. So it seems as though we hit the $4,000 mark and we're back at it. Oh, 4,002. Guys, your bullish scenario yet again is $4,170. That is your bullish case scenario. We are now within the golden zone. We are less than $1,000 away from previous highs, all-time highs. We are bullish. We are pumped. And I could give you a bullish scenario to watch, an even more bullish scenario to watch, because if it decides to like take off, then we got to watch that. We got to watch that. All right. Your next bullish level to watch besides that 4,100 is $4,427. That's your bullish scenario. Because if we had selling pressure there before, but if we could hold it and create support at that level, we could be brought to those highs. Holy wow. Holy wow. We're less than $1,000 away from all-time highs. Less than $1,000 away. I'm ready. Holy wow. Holy wow. No, this is ridiculous. I'm so excited. Should I be this excited? Hillbilly City. Oh boy, Hillbilly. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. Do 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 do. This is so bullish. All right. Well, all right. I got to focus on other things here because we have a lot of news. Semler Scientific, my friends, updated Bitcoin and ATM activity. They purchased an additional 303 Bitcoin and they now hold 1,873 Bitcoin, which is amazing. And so they were acquired for an aggregate $147.1 million, like an average purchase price of 78.5K for a Bitcoin. Oh, wow. I don't even know what to say anymore. I'm like so shook right now that we have $4,000 ETH on the stream. Oh my gosh. I love this stream so much. I freaking love this stream. So many historical things happen on this channel and it's just, it gets me emotional. I might cry right now. I actually might cry right now because this is emotional, Hillbilly. Yes, yeehaw, ye freaking haw, because this is ridiculous. I am, wow. Freaking blessed. Hashtag blessed. Okay, more things. What's next? Okay, we could get into the Donnie T news, I guess. Let's get into Donnie T because we love Donnie T on this channel because we want to make America wealthy again, right? Hillbilly City, thank you. All right, so Ivan Hernandez, you ready? We do have Donnie T naming David Sachs, the ex-PayPal COO, as the crypto and AI czar. This is huge news. We were waiting. Who's going to help bring crypto into the spotlight going into the next administration, the next 4 years? And David Sachs appears to be the person. So Donnie T claims that David Sachs is going to work on legal framework so the crypto industry has the clarity it has been asking for. And here's the article and the screenshot of Truth Social. He says, I am pleased to announce that David O. Sachs will be the White House AI and crypto czar. In this important role, David will guide policy for the admin in AI and cryptocurrency, two areas critical to the future of American competitiveness. Thank you for acknowledging that, Donnie T, where all these other countries like who? China are trying to scam away, and they're mining a lot of Bitcoin, China. But do they let their people own it? No, because they want everyone to have a CBDC, a digital yuan that expires, is a coupon, and essentially controls your whole life because it's a surveillance tool. Right, Hillbilly? Thank you, DJ, for the rose. He says, David will focus on making America the clear global leaders in both areas. He will safeguard free speech online and steer us away from big tech bias and censorship because we know that the previous admin was hitting up, Twitter before Elon, hitting up Meta, Mark Zuckerberg, and telling them, you have to censor A, B, and C. Here's a name. And it was a disgusting display of how they were trying to take away free speech. And never mind the fact that they are debanking people, which Elon knows about and is going to be part of Department of Government Efficiency. They're going to make sure that that can happen again. He will work on legal frameworks so the crypto industry has the clarity it has been asking for and can thrive in the U.S. David will also lead the Presidential Council of Advisors for Science and Technology. This is bullish. This is bullish. So this is important because he was an executive, an early executive at PayPal, which, if you remember, who started PayPal, who was a part of the early days of PayPal? Elon Musk. He co-founded the business social network platform Yammer, which Microsoft bought for $1.2 billion in 2012. He is more recently known for co-hosting the business-focused All In podcast and co-founding the venture capital firm Craft Ventures. This is pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. So we have David Sachs. We got Elon Musk, Vivek Ramaswamy. We got Paul Atkins, that's going to head the SEC. Wow. Guys, we're going to have a whole administration that is pro-crypto. This is the first ever pro-crypto administration. It's going to be a complete 180 of what we're having right now with Gary Gensler calling us hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists. Oh, the FDIC chair that's stepping down. The day before the inauguration of Donnie T on January 19th, he's stepping down. And he was a part of Operation Choke Point that tried to debank the whole crypto industry. Go Donnie T. Go Donnie T. Yep. Anthony Palladino said, Dream Team, absolutely. Yep, crypto stacked, absolutely. This is bullish, guys. This is very, very bullish. This is very bullish. And there's way too many crypto folk a part of this admin to let this industry slip. It's going to be an amazing 4 years for crypto is what I'm hoping. I'm hoping for a very pro-crypto administration. I'm hoping for a very pro-crypto country that allows businesses to flourish here so that people don't have to go offshore. You know how many crypto businesses we would have in the United States if Gary Gensler was a good person? Gary Gensler would have another, 2 years in his place as SEC chairman if he wasn't such a
hucksters, frauds.
He's a paid actor, man, a paid actor. Oh, and look who it is. We have Paul Atkins in the chat right now. Hi, Paul.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Welcome, pro crypto SEC chair, the next one, Paul Atkins. He said, Gary is nothing but a huckster. Well, welcome, Paul. Welcome. It's nice to see you. Guys, this is so bullish. This is so bullish. I'm pumped. I'm pumped. David Sachs also jumped on the tweet as well and said, thank you, Mr. President. I am honored and grateful for the trust you have placed in me. I look forward to advancing the American competitiveness in these critical technologies under your leadership. The future is bright. So David Sachs is excited. He's ready. He's pumped. And he is ready to be the crypto and AI czar. I hope I can help this administration in one way or another. I would love to do that. I want to bring crypto adoption to the masses. I do. It's true. And I will always work for crypto adoption. I will always do my best to educate the masses. And that's the goal of this channel. It has been since I started this. Learn Litecoin says poverty to wealth to sustainability. Absolutely. 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 We need a command for Paul Atkins in the chat, says Paul Atkins. I mean, I guess so. I'm not in charge of those. My moderators are in charge of all of those. But I'm very bullish. I'm very bullish. All right. So let's continue. Let's continue, because it's not going to stop people from hating on what Donnie T wants to do, which is a Bitcoin strategic reserve. There are also states that are highly interested, about 11 states that are interested in a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Pennsylvania has also done introductions in order to have a Bitcoin strategic reserve for the state. Shout out to Michael Cartwright for number 5 membership.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Thank you. So, we have the former U.S. Treasury Secretary that's slamming the National Bitcoin Reserve, calling it crazy. Okay, I was going to say something. I won't. I'm just going to read. That's what I do. Former U.S. Treasury Secretary Lawrence Summers dismissed Donnie T's plan for a strategic Bitcoin reserve as, quote, crazy, and it means to pander his own crypto donors. He said, some of what is being said, this idea that we should have some kind of national Bitcoin reserve, is crazy. I understand why we need a national oil reserve. I understand why a century ago we accumulated gold in Fort Knox. Of all the prices to support, why would the government choose to support by accumulating a sterile inventory, a bunch of Bitcoin? Bruh, are you kidding me? He said there's no reason to do that other than to pander to the crypto contributors. And so what I would like to say to Sir, what's his name? To Sir Lawrence Summers is do your research. This is the best performing asset of the last 14 to 15 years. The fact that we're up 130% plus in the past year. Are you telling me that this isn't something that could save the United States, being that there's a finite supply of 21 million Bitcoin? And they want to accumulate 1 million of the 21 million? Please, let's not be ignorant. Let's not be ignorant. That is what I call FUD. That is what I call FUD. And to combat said FUD, we do have Michael Saylor that was going on Bloomberg, absolutely roasted everybody. And so he was giving advice to Dave Portnoy, who also did not properly accumulate his Bitcoin. And I wish Dave Portnoy would have answered my tweets when I was trying to tweet at him and saying, I would help you, before he messed this all up. Because Dave Portnoy missed out on the bottom for Bitcoin. He did. So here's what Michael Saylor was talking about on Bloomberg. Take a look. Guys, please smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and share it.
With Bitcoin moving up 1.8%, pairing some of the advance here, it looks like we're actually down below 100,000 again, but still got up as high as 103,000 late last night, early into this morning.
I feel like we might have the perfect guest to elaborate on this very topic.
Guest, indeed. Bitcoin indeed topped 100,000 for the first time ever. The cryptocurrency on that record-breaking run since President-elect Donald Trump's victory. Joining us now, Michael Saylor, Executive Chairman of MicroStrategy. Of course, MicroStrategy now one of the largest Bitcoin holders with just over 402,000 of the coins. I don't know if like you want to do a little dance, Michael, if you've got some champagne behind you, but obviously we've been talking to you for a while now, and you have been a staunch bull on Bitcoin. You put your money where your mouth is in terms of adding it to the balance sheet over there at MicroStrategy. I guess, you know, now that we've gotten there, now what? What's next?
Every day for the past 4 years, I've said, buy Bitcoin, don't sell the Bitcoin. I'm going to be buying more Bitcoin. I'm going to be buying Bitcoin at the top forever. I joked with Dave Portnoy today. He said, I missed it at 10,000. I missed it at 20,000. I missed it at 100,000. I said, Dave, it's still less than $1 million a coin. You're getting a 90% discount from $1 million a coin. I'm sure that I will be buying Bitcoin at $1 million a coin, probably $1 billion a day of Bitcoin at $1 million a coin. And so I think it's a very simple idea. It's just keep buying Bitcoin with your spare capital. It's going to appreciate against the dollar forever.
So, Michael, so if I don't own Bitcoin, though, and I'm listening to this, your advice is buy here or no, wait for a pullback? And then when I do buy, Michael, your advice to folks who are listening about how to do that, what do they buy? You know, do they dollar cost average into Bitcoin? What's your advice?
I think you should think of Bitcoin as a long-term capital asset. So if you have money you don't need for 4 years, or even better yet, for 10 years, you put it into a portfolio. You might hold scarce desirable real estate. You might hold your favorite artwork. You might hold some portfolio of companies you're going to hold forever. I think a part of that is Bitcoin. So I say dollar cost average into Bitcoin every quarter, sweep some long-term savings into Bitcoin, expect to keep it there for a decade or longer, and don't get too worked up over the volatility in the near term.
Well, and Michael, you know, you kind of alluded to this, that you don't try and time the market here. You're just going to, the strategy through MicroStrategy is to just keep buying consistently, regularly, no matter what the price is.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, I look at it like Manhattan real estate. The year is 1650, and if you had a chance to buy it in every decade from 1650 to today, wouldn't you just keep buying it? If you didn't have to pay property tax and you could hold it, you would just keep accumulating it forever. There's never a bad time to buy it. There's a Saylor tracker. You can look at it. It just shows we bought at every price point, every quarter, at the highs, at the lows, at the mids. I bought it every week for the past 4 weeks in a size billion or more. I'm going to just keep buying it. And it's not that complicated. I expect that it'll be the most valuable thing in the world 100 years from now. So why wouldn't you just keep accumulating it?
Michael, we've talked a little bit about this before, so I want to just...
Why would you not keep accumulating it? Thank you, Saylor. Thank you. Hello. Hello. Right, Crypto Cowboy, yeehaw to you. This is exactly what we're talking about. This is exactly what we're talking about. Saylor knows what he's saying. Oh, it's Manhattan real estate. If you were able to keep buying Manhattan real estate and you didn't have to pay taxes on it since the year 1650, wouldn't you keep buying it? Yeah, you would. Yeah, you would. And the fact that he's like, you're getting a 90% discount if you're paying for 100K per Bitcoin when it's going to be $1 million per Bitcoin. Saylor said he's going to keep buying all the way up to $1 million. He's going to keep buying Bitcoin. He said he'll buy $1 billion a day when it's $1 million per Bitcoin. Are you as bullish? Are you as bullish as Saylor? Are you as bullish as Michael Saylor? Put rocket emojis in the chat. Are you as bullish as Michael Saylor? I need rocket emojis. I can't not have rocket emojis in the chat. Oh, no G's here. Hello. Memory Man. Welcome, Ron. What up?
Just re-up the question before we move on. When you've likened it to Manhattan real estate, you collect rent on it, right? So at some point, do you somehow, monetize the Bitcoin that you hold in some way?
Yeah, well, imagine I gave you the chance to buy 40 city blocks of Manhattan real estate 100 years ago, but there were no buildings on it and there was no rent associated with it. But you knew it was going to be the greatest city in North America, and you could buy it and hold it. It's, you would still do it, just like you might buy Alaska in 1867, even though there's no rent on it, because you think that over the next 100 years, someone else will find a way to take advantage of it. With Bitcoin, it's cyber Manhattan. There's 8 billion people that have money. They're not going to live there, but they're going to put their money there because everybody has to park their money somewhere. Yep. And so you're just buying one block out of 21 million of all the capital in the world. It'll be the center of the digital economy. You may not know the applications, but there are applications. MicroStrategy makes a lot of money by holding that digital property. We're generating massive amounts of shareholder value from that. So you don't have to understand how we do it. You just need to hold your Bitcoin and let us drive the price up.
And Michael, obviously the move since the election.
This man is a darn savage. This man just like spews, and no one could say nothing about it. No one could say anything about it because they don't even know how to respond. He's like, you'll need to know how we do it. Just let it happen. That's such savagery, man. That's hilarious.
Powerful. Trump is moving back into the White House. He clearly positioned himself, as an ally of Bitcoin, an ally of crypto. What would you like to see, Michael, his priorities be now, his policy priorities?
Well, I mean, I think low regulation, low tax, pro-innovation policies. Especially specifically with regard to digital assets, if we have a digital assets framework that supports digital commodities, digital securities, digital tokens, digital ABTs.
Digital tokens, which means not just Bitcoin. If you heard that correctly, he said digital tokens, not just Bitcoin, because it's not going to be just Bitcoin. It's going to be altcoins. And you know what? There is a second best. It's called Litecoin.
Digital currencies, digital NFTs, so that
NFTs.
people can innovate in the United States of America and spread those assets everywhere in the world. I think that'll be good for the world and good for the United States.
Michael, I'm curious because we've talked to some of your peers in the crypto industry who have talked about maybe some of the friction at times that they have felt when they've been trying to buy crypto assets under the existing regime, under Gary Gensler at the SEC, for example. You guys have obviously accumulated an awful lot of Bitcoin at MicroStrategy. Has there ever been that kind of friction? Have you seen those regulatory obstacles to what you've been doing?
Well, I think Bitcoin is the one digital asset that has the most regulatory clarity in the world because there's general universal consensus that it's a digital commodity. The friction on Bitcoin has been slow approval of the ETFs, the inability to do cash create and redemption, the slow approval of the options market on the ETFs, and resistance to banks custodying and handling Bitcoin. So that's held back the asset class. I think that a favorable crypto regime will accelerate the development of Bitcoin. And I think on the digital asset side, right, just the lack of a digital assets framework for digital currencies and digital exchanges and digital tokens has put that industry in limbo. And I think we're looking for those things to be resolved with the incoming administration, and that should accelerate growth for everybody.
Word. Absolute word. Absolutely. Absolutely. Bitcoin is the word. Word. Coin is the word. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I agree with what he said. And so it's bullish for the United States. It's bullish for the United States, my friends, if we have a strategic Bitcoin reserve, if we allow low taxes, regulation that is not by enforcement, but something that's more collaborative with the industry instead of attacking everybody for no reason. Yeah, that's bullish. That is bullish. And guys, also, we need to hit 100 likes. We have 13 more until we hit 100. Please smash the likes. Help a girl out. Help a girl out. Right, David Lee? Right, Pillman? Right, JC, Chosen One. We got Aaron in the chat, Ms. in the chat with MYZ. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. We have, who else? B Team, Verhoofty Floof. All right, beautiful. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the chat, right, my ninja. And if we have any chart requests, put them in the chat really quick. But what I would like to advise everybody of is that a lot of Coinbase users are reporting account restrictions and inaccessible funds, fueling concerns over customer service and security as legal scrutiny mounts. So please make sure you guys are looking at Coinbase. Coinbase is a little iffy on the side of allowing people to like have an account there. So I'm going to stay quiet on that fact. Right, Big, over there? But yeah, I haven't had the best experience with them either. And so I would just keep calm, huddle on. And if you guys are having issues or whatever, check it out. Also, you got to use the exchanges for what they're for. You go to a beautiful exchange like Gemini. You go where dollars won't. You exchange your dollars for crypto. You put that crypto in your Cake wallet that's open source. And that way you're your own bank. You can always send it back to places like Gemini. But you have to make sure that you are able to be your own bank. So again, a lot of people are reporting that they're getting their accounts restricted. They're not able to access their funds. And this is a huge, huge issue. Casper said, no Coinbase use Gemini. I love Gemini so much. That's why I partnered with them. And I think they're really the best exchange out there. So check out Gemini, my friends. Again, if you sign up for Gemini, You trade $100 in crypto, you get 15 bucks in Bitcoin. Right, Ronell, sneaking in. Nice to see you, my friend. Hi. Hello, NJ Tech. Welcome. But yeah, please make sure you guys are keeping your crypto in the right places. Be your own bank and don't leave anything on Coinbase that you can't afford to lose. If your account gets shut down right now and you're like, oh darn, like I needed that, then you shouldn't have it there. So just be careful. Be careful. All right, do we have any chart requests? Let me get into those chart requests really quick. We also have a subscriber goal, and I hope that we can hit it by next week, by Monday at least. 17,700 is the goal. We're still at the same that we started with today. I think today's a little slow because Bitcoin's not got 100K and people are mad about it. But at the end of the day, it's okay because we're at $99,290 Bitcoin. And so this is a beautiful day to be alive. I love crypto. I love Bitcoin. And I think we're in a really bullish state. It's only going to get better. It's only going to get better. Right, Joe Harvey? Right, Joe Harvey. David Bull said, thank you for the information. Of course. Of course. So again, please make sure you guys are looking at Bitcoin right now. 99.3. Your bullish scenario is 100K, which is psychological. And then your high of $104,000. That is our all-time high for Bitcoin now. We want to have the highest daily candle close today, which is above $98,850. So that is the goal. So ideally, let's close at $99,000 Bitcoin, and then we'll have the highest daily candle close ever. So even if we don't close like 100K, we can still have the highest daily candle close, which is bullish. You want to look at ETH? We can look at ETH again. So ETH is $4,036. Oh, wow. And so we had a high today of like around $4,046. This is the highest price we've seen since March of this year, when we did hit a high of a local high, you could say, of $4,090, pulled all the way back to down here after that to around $2,100 ETH. So this was tricky wicky. This was tricky. So we did have a strong pullback when we rejected that level, but the market was not ready yet. It was not ready yet. We are ready, though. I believe that the market is primed. I feel like ETH made up a lot of ground. She went up, pulled all the way back to $2,000 ETH, created support, also bounced between 2,200 and that 2,770, which I said I never want to talk about that level ever again because it was so annoying and I never want to say that again. 2,770, goodbye. And we really want to hold $4,000 ETH. If we could close above 3,960, that's bullish because 3,960 is our golden zone. We really want to look at new highs for Ethereum. We're less than $1,000 away from hitting a new all-time high for Ethereum. This is very bullish news, my friends. Very bullish. Shout out to the Piper Academy. We have my Army Piper, my OC, my Trade Fly. Thank you guys so much for coming. I appreciate it. Duality Crypto, welcome. Guys, if you're new to the show, you got to let me know because I really want to give you love. Randy M says, part of me doesn't want to sell my Bitcoin. I'm afraid of a massive shortage and not getting a good chance to buy back in. Listen, Randy M, I've been talking about it a lot. There is a huge Bitcoin shortage already. There's only 2.2 million Bitcoin tied to centralized exchanges total throughout centralized exchanges. That's dangerous. And so if you have a certain amount of Bitcoin that you want to acquire, then make a decision. If you can do it, do it. And if you can't, then figure out a way to reach your goal. If you have a goal, then obviously whatever it is in your life, you're going to work to get there. But I think there is going to be a point where Bitcoin's going to shoot. We're not going to have enough Bitcoin. Exchanges are going to tell you, sorry, bro, we don't got it. And then what do we do then? You go OTC, over the counter. You hit up your friend that Bitcoin's $300,000 and you're going to say, hi, I need some Bitcoin. And they're going to charge you 3x the price because they can. And if you look at places like Marathon Digital, a Bitcoin miner, they're actually buying Bitcoin back because they're also mining Bitcoin, but they don't want to sell their Bitcoin. They want their own reserve. So what happens when the miners don't want to sell their new Bitcoin? That's also a big issue. It's also a very big issue. So there is going to be a massive supply shock for Bitcoin, a massive one. And I don't think people are ready for it. And I've been talking about it for years. 4 years I've been mentioning this, and nobody has listened. Oh, there's always going to be enough Bitcoin. I was talking to a Bitcoin-only exchange, and they were like, oh, that's never going to happen. I was like, man, how do you know that? Of course it's going to happen. Right, Steve? Of course it's going to happen. There's only going to be 21 million Bitcoin. About 19.8 million are mined. I believe at least 5 million Bitcoin are lost.
You're welcome. Thank you.
What does that leave us with? 14 million?
You're welcome.
CB tip, I was locked out for 7 months. Call to make account changes. Their auto security is sensitive. If you use VPN or ad blockers at the time of making account changes online, you get locked down.
That's true. That's true. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Can you look at Rose Oasis? You're the best, thank you.
Got you, Carl. What's the ticker for that? What's the ticker for that? But yeah, that's true. Don't use VPNs or anything like that if you're trying to sign into Coinbase or make changes on the account. But yeah, you should never be locked out of your Coinbase account. Also, please smash the like, share this out with friends. We're at 98 likes. What? Guys, we need to. That is no good. That is no good. All right, so Rose, is that the ticker? All right, hold on. Oh, I remember. We charted this already. Is it Oasis Network? Or is that different? Wait, hold on. I'm confused. Hold on. That's confusing. Is it Oasis Network? Is this it? Yeah, Rose USD. Yes, it is. Okay, I believe this is it. Yeah, we've charted this before. Okay, yeah, so we're at 13 cents, 0.137 cents for Rose. We're up 6.93%. You can see where the selling pressure is, and that's that 13 cents, almost 14 cents. And you can look in the past, we've had selling pressure there in January. We had some sort of support, but lost that support and went all the way down to 7.5 cents just about. So that's your bullish scenario, is your 9.5 cents, which going below 10 is psychological, and going below that 200-day SMA and look at 7.5 cents. That's your bearish. However, your bullish is 18 cents. That is your bullish scenario. I really don't have much more than that other than the high that I see here of 24 cents. So that's your bullish scenario. We do have some green money flow coming in. The VWAP is down. Red dots printing on the momentum. Checking out the RSI. It is overbought, so we could see a downtrend incoming. But those are the levels to watch.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh, hello.
You're welcome.
Chosen one.
You don't sell your Bitcoin, Michael Saylor. Don't take profits if you don't need it. Last cycle was fluke. Everything has changed. This 2 cents is free.
What an icon you are, chosen one. Yes. I agree. I'm not. Listen, hold up. Let's take a sip of coffee and calm our nerves over here. Right, Darren? From Newport Beach. Good morning to you. Listen, let's sit back. Let's have a chat. Carl, I don't do like predictions though. I don't do predictions. I'll tell you that right now. I do not have predictions. I just look at bullish and bearish case scenarios, and I hope that's okay with you. But yeah, I don't do predictions because that's just not my thing, and I don't want to be held accountable, and I don't rate portfolios. I don't do any of that because that gets you in trouble. Anyway, Randy, Gemini link in description is broken. Are you serious? It's still okay. I'm actually in contact with Gemini over that, so please give me until Monday, and hopefully we can figure that out. I'm gonna get in touch with them again. All right. This is the thing. Like I mentioned, I believe there's going to be a major supply shock. There's only 2.2 million Bitcoin tied to centralized exchanges. There's a lot of people that have not been in the space yet. Retail is not here yet, despite $100,000 Bitcoin. FOMO will happen probably once we stay over $100,000 Bitcoin. Donnie T enters the presidency, and then it's going to be all over the news that we're going to have a strategic Bitcoin reserve to pay back our national debt. That's going to cause FOMO. Department of Government Efficiency stepping in. Dogecoin being the actual face of the United States is going to cause FOMO. Now, the exchanges are not ready for FOMO because they don't have the supply. Is that their problem? No. Is it our problem? Yes. Because when you go to the exchanges and they tell you, hey man, we don't have enough for you, you're going to be very upset about that. You're going to be very upset about that. And so my advice to you is that if you do not want to sell your Bitcoin, stick to your guns. If you need Bitcoin to live, if you say if Bitcoin hits a certain price, or right now I have things to pay for, then you use it as currency, pay it. Pay whatever you need to pay because you invest for a reason. You invest for a reason. If you have a bullish and a bearish case scenario, you stick to your plan. But it's all on you. But just know at one point, I believe, and this is just a personal belief, it's not financial advice in any way, shape, or form, that there will be a supply shock. And people will be very upset when that happens because they're going to say, how do I get Bitcoin now? This is just a warning. It's something I've been talking about for years now. Again, it's not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy. I'm not telling you to sell. I'm telling you what the facts are. And there is not enough Bitcoin. Also, knowing the fact that this is digital real estate. This is an asset that is property, currency, a store of value. It is the best performing asset out of the last 15 years. Is it going to stop when once the strategic Bitcoin reserve comes out? At this current plan, they want to accumulate, the US government, 1 million Bitcoin over the course of 5 years. So that means there will be 200,000 Bitcoin bought by the government per year. And so do you think that states themselves are not going to have their own reserves? Of course they will. Pennsylvania is already doing it. Apparently 11 states are going to do that. 2 nation states are already going to have a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Other countries are going to start buying Bitcoin. And again, there's 19.8 million Bitcoin mined. Let's say there's 5 million that are lost. That leaves 14 million Bitcoin out there for grabs, technically. And we know that there's a lot of people that obviously that Bitcoin is owned by someone somewhere. 2 million is at the exchanges. So let's say 19.8 million is mined. 5 million is just gone, kaput. That leaves you with 14 million. 2 million belongs to the exchanges. There's 12 million Bitcoin out there. That's it. That's not a lot. And so the United States wants one of those 12 million. So that leaves 11 million up for grabs. So there's really, let's say there's 5 million just gone, there's only 11 million Bitcoin out there that are in people's possession right now. Of course, there will be more that are mined, but remember that the block reward is only 3.125 Bitcoin now. So the reward that the miners are getting is quite low. And it's only going to get lower every 4 years. Keep that in mind. Yes, Saylor also holds 402,000 Bitcoin. So let's say out of that, there's 10.6 million Bitcoin out there now. And then there's less because BlackRock and all these ETF holders. There's not a lot of Bitcoin, friends. The mainstream is not ready. Retail isn't going to get their hands on this. And if they do, it's going to be for a very high price. In my opinion, not financial advice. There's going to be a major supply shock. Then you have to ask yourself, what's next? Ethereum's going to be too expensive. But if you look at Ethereum, you have Ethereum held on exchanges is at a 6 to 8 year low. There's not enough ETH. And then if you go to transact all your sheesh coins on Ethereum, darn, it's going to be too expensive. If you look at gas fees, last bull market, I was trying to buy a $10 NFT. I was paying $100 in gas fees for it. Too expensive. What's next? Litecoin. It has a finite supply of 84 million. How much is actually owned by institutions? Right now, we know Grayscale, for a fact, owns almost 2 million at least 1.9 million out of the 84 million Litecoin to ever exist. Why would they do that? Because Litecoin has the same regulatory clarity as Bitcoin. Proof of work, fair launch, the finite supply. It's obvious what's going to happen. People don't think about that. They think about the right now. You can also think about the fact that there's inflation. Hold on, Ethereum's, not Ethereum. TikTok's going to lock me out. Hold on. You could also think about inflation. You think inflation's going to stop? It might be a little lower under Donnie T, but is it really going to stop? No, never. So you also have people in other countries that are experiencing triple-digit inflation like Argentina was. I don't have the current numbers now, but we do know that there is going to be a supply shock. People need a store of value. They need something to hold. So then you look at what's next after Bitcoin, what's next after ETH, and that's where you come up with the Litecoins, the Digibytes of the world that have that finite supply, that are similar to Bitcoin, that are able to handle transactions and scale. Bitcoin has trouble scaling. You could say Lightning Network all you want, friends, but the banks are basically going to own Lightning Network because you need a lot of liquidity to run it. Sorry, friends. I apologize if this is shaking the core, but it's the absolute truth, and all I tell is the truth and nothing but the truth. So help me, Lord. So yeah, that's our status, and that's what we have right now. So I'm excited, though. I'm excited about the future of Bitcoin. It is the future, and I'm excited that we were here at this moment in time to talk about it, and that Bitcoin is about to hit 100K, and I hope it does hit 100K yet again. If you look at the chart right now, we're at $99,560. If it closes right here, right now, at this price, that's the highest daily candle close in history. We're going to aim for that highest daily candle close and hope that we close in the green. We're looking at the hourly chart, and we see that we have a green dot printed. Hopefully it plays out, and we do want to hit that 104K yet again. We're going to watch out. We're going to keep calm. We're going to hodl on. We're going to have potatoes.
A potato flew around my room before you came.
But yeah, I love this space. I love Bitcoin. And I will never stop loving Bitcoin.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you.
Josh
You're
freaking
welcome.
V.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Josh
Hipper
V.
out here preaching. Do we still rave in here? Lol.
Oh yeah.
Josh freaking V. See, Josh V is such an icon. He always like comes in and he's like, yeah. We need more likes. You want to rave? I know, but the deal is 150 likes. We're nowhere near that right now. We have 110 likes, but we do have 150 people watching the show. Where's the likery? Oh my gosh, we have Michael Cartwright with another 10 memberships. Oh wow.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. I know we want raves. I know we want raves, but we don't have 150 likes. We don't even have 125. I would go midway with y'all. I'd be like, hey, 125. Where are the likes? Where are the likes? Right, Carl Elder? We got David Brumblebee. Welcome. Welcome, everybody. Oh, my God. He said one more for the weekend. Oh, it's so hard to say no to y'all. OG says, hello, OG Backroad. Carl says, Emma's right, smash the likes. Yeah, man. How much do likes cost? I don't buy those. I don't buy likes. I don't do that. That's cheating. I don't buy likes. I don't buy nothing. Because that's bad. That's bad karma, in my opinion. My friends, we also need subscribery. We have 9 more subscribers until 17,700. Ronell said, let me go add a like. See, that's what it's about, Ronell. And guys, if you're on TikTok, please go to youtube.com/missteencrypto with my PFP link in bio, because we want to rave. We want 145 likes, at least 150 likes, maybe 125 likes. I don't know. We need likes. We need likes. People want raise. They need likes.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
One more for the weekend.
Oh, thank you, Michael Cartwright. Michael is such an icon. We have Ashoka said first time here, great stream. Guys, say everyone say welcome to Ashoka. Stu. East West, nice to see you. Uncle Billy is in the chat. J Rock said just sent a like. Oh boy. All right, hold on. How many likes we got now? We have 127. Can we get 130? Is that being crazy? Can I get 130? If we get 130, then the rave happens. Then I guess I can meet y'all like about midway. Right, Terry? He said, okay, I like. See, you know, I know you're sitting there. Ninja gave OG Backroad a membership.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Oh, yeah. Orlando's here. Hello, Orlando. Anthony S. says welcome. Yes, welcome all our friends in the chat. Thank you guys for coming, especially if it's your first time here. I thank y'all for tuning in. Renga said, your Renga apes on YouTube. Well, are you in the chat, my friend? Are we in the chat, right, M2? Are they in the chat? Welcome, everybody. Welcome, everybody. All right, we have 130 likes. Duality says smash the likes. I agree, Duality. Duality, you say it. You preach it. Oh, boy, we have 136 now. 14 more likes until 150. Oh, darn. Do we do it? Do we wait? Have to say it like an auctioneer. 125, 130, 136, 140. Can I get a 140? Can I get a 140? Can I get a 145? Can I get a 150? Is that how it goes? All I know is that they just babble. They go. All right, do I have pockets on the dress is a great question. The answer is no. No pockets. No pockets. I know people are going to get upset about that. No, there's no pockets. And I apologize for that. I do. More likes for Emma's appetite. I'm dead. But yeah, we do need more likes. We need 150 likes. That's the only thing that could get me there. 9 more. Oh, we're so close. You guys can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Can we also see some memberships? We need to see what emoji can we put in here. Let's do. Give me a Gary Gensler. Give me a Gary Gensler in here. Because he's going to leave soon. I know you guys are mad there's no pockets. I know that's my bad. I'm a terrible person. Latest crypto miner app. Hello, my friend. Welcome with the rocket emojis. Welcome. I don't know. What am I thinking? I know. You guys are very upset about the no pockets. I apologize for that. 4 more likes until 150. I'm not raving until 150. I'm not doing a single darn thing until we hit 150 likes. I'm going to check out XLM. And also, we have 6 more subscribers until 17.7. I know y'all are out there. You're not hitting the likes. You're not subscribing to the channel. And to that I say, why? Why? I know that it could be a little time consuming, to like go like boop. But I do ask you to boop the like button and the subscribe button, because it does help the channel. It does mean a lot to me. And I don't take likeries for granted. I don't take subscribery for granted. I don't take membershipery for granted. I just appreciate it. And I just hope that, and I'm getting emotional, I just hope that y'all can just show love and hit the like button, because that's all I want to do is just show all of you guys love and just embrace the likes and just know that you guys are enjoying the show. And that's just really what shows me that you guys enjoy the show, is if you hit like buttons. So I do see you out there. Like you see me, you hear me, and you're like, hey, like she knows I'm looking at me. She knows, that I'm here. And I just hope that you guys know that, like, I see you. I know you hear me. I know you see me. Just please hit that like. Because we have Tave. Is that Tave? Oh boy. Holy, what? Tave dropped 50 memberships. Woo!
You got to pump it up.
Juju. Nice to see you, Juju. Very Hooty Flu says boop it. Yes. Boop. Boop. Hold on. Hold on. There's actually, I think I have a sound for this. Hold on. Yay! Oh gosh, Tave. All right. All right. We had 150 likes. See, it worked. It worked. See, I saw you. No, I'm fibbing. I'm actually fibbing. We have 149 likes. I'm sitting down now. I'm sitting down now. Because I only see 149 likes. I don't see 150. What's going on, Bobby F? What's going on, Crypto Moro? What goes on here? What goes on? What goes on? I have freshly washed hair. And I wanted to rave. Black Hat sees 150. I think I trust him. Hold on. Bitcoin 100K celebration. Word. Oh my gosh. Yay, Tave. You're so awesome. Guys, it's time to rave. Give me a second. I'm back. Steve, thank you. Guys, I'm back. It's time to rave. And if you guys want to rave in the chat, I need to see rave emoji. I need to see, well, not rave emoji. We don't have one yet. Rave in the chat. Rave. You guys came through for me. Obviously, I'm going to come through for you now. Rave in the chat. Rave. Rave. All right, let's get it. Rave in the chat. Early Birdie, nice to see you. Welcome. Nice to see you. Welcome, everybody. All right, I see rave in the chat. All right, let's get it. Hold on. I actually have something new to put on for the rave. Got it last weekend. Shout out to that random bachelorette I saw outside. Let's get it. Did you guys like that? Saul, hold up. Hold on. Oh, hello, Crypto Styles. Welcome. Saul says, good morning. It's my birthday. Hello, good Josh. Happy birthday, Saul. Welcome, my friend. Thank you for always being here, especially on your birthday. And you're giving me presents for your birthday. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Saul. Yay. Happy birthday. Woohoo. Enjoy it. Get a cookie today or a birthday cake. You know, do what you need to do. Celebrate. Celebrate. Holiday. Banner. Celebrate. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Holiday. Banner. Celebrate. 'Cause it'll be a good time. It'll be a good time. Oh, yeah. That's so awesome. Truth said, I hope you're successful. Thank you. I appreciate that. Johnny said, welcome to the Moulin Rouge. Yeah, listen. Hold up. So, story time. Last weekend, I went out with my friend, and we were like at this, we were at this spot, and it was actually really funny because we were just chilling, we were hanging, we were talking, and this bachelorette party comes in, and it was so great because like we were just chilling, eating, we were having our dinner, whatever. This bachelorette party comes in, they were hanging, they were so excited, and she had like, so the girl that was getting married had like this fake microphone. She's like, do you want to be on my podcast? I was like, sure. It was so funny. And so she's asking me questions, and it was so funny because it wasn't a real podcast, and so she was just messing around, and she was like, thank you for entertaining me. And then she gave me this, she put this on me, she's like, use this, take this with you. And I was like, sure. I was like, yeah, man, hand it over. And then so basically I got a new rave thing because I was just outside and I left my house. So that was great. This is why you leave your house, guys, because then you get rave stuff. So, and it has like little finger things on it. So I could go like this with it. Yeah. So guys, this is great. Thank you to the bachelorette. Hope she has a great wedding. It's huge. But yeah, this is great. I love this. I love my little feathers. Yeah, so that was great. I loved it. And I was like, I'm definitely raving with this next week. And so that's exactly what happened. I was so excited to use it today. Yay. Woohoo. Guys, thank you guys so much for being here, man. Like, this is so fun. This is great. And so shout out to everybody that supported the show today, whether that's like, commenting, viewing, chat, super chat, and anything you guys do. I'm very bullish on and I'm very thankful for. And so, yay! I do have an appointment in a few minutes that I have to get to. But my friends, I am so bullish on every single one of you guys. I'm bullish on this channel. No, you didn't miss it, Ronell. And we also have 5 more subscribers until we hit our goal. I'm hoping that we hit it by Monday. But I'm very bullish on everybody. I'm bullish on Bitcoin. I'm hoping we revisit $100,000. Your regulars deserve a rave. We did. We raved our heart away. There's an imposter of me in here. Can someone remove them, please? But yeah, thank you for letting me know, by the way. And this is my only TikTok account. Please block all the other ones. Please follow this one and this one only. If another one follows you and DMs you, it's not me. But yeah, guys, we are getting after it today. I have a few things I have to get to today, but I'm very excited because it's all for the better of cryptocurrency. And so hopefully I could have some cool news coming up soon. But thank you guys so much. I enjoy every single one of you guys. And if you haven't yet, please smash the like, subscribe, share this out with friends. Have a beautiful Friday, a beautiful weekend. Go touch grass, touch sand, touch water, touch snow. I don't know where you're at, but just do that and enjoy yourselves. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, share. I'll talk to you guys later. See you on Monday. And as always, stay zesty. Peace.